I think it is important for us to know once and for all what happened because that will guide us for moving forward. Kasi mali ba natin na mali pala naging aksyon natin. Yun ay piniliwanag ko na. And on the basis of that, I ruled that we stick to our plan.
Kaya hindi tayo pwedeng questionin ng mga rules, questionin ng mga topics, etc.
I request that the chairperson of the Finance Committee preside over this hearing.
Madam Vice President, with due respect, you are not allowed to do that, Madam Vice President.
I requested, as your resource person, I requested that the chairperson of the committee.
Madam Vice President, just please answer the question. The issue on confidential funds falls squarely within our discussion of your 2025 budget.
Narinig mo yung sinabi niya, ma'am? Narinig mo yung nakikinig ka sa kanya kanina?
Absolutely.
Walang rules dito.
Please proceed and answer the question.
It's a very simple question. Please explain the specific spending on those items that she enumerated, amounting to a total of, honorable friends, do you want to repeat
A
that?
total of 73.287 million. So, dahil may notice of disallowance, so ibig sabihin, Madam Chair, illegal ito at not in accordance with the joint circular by the COA, BBM, and other related agencies. So, kung ito ay disallow, so ibig sabihin, illegal yung paggamit nito. Madam Chair, nitong mga items na binanggit ko po, Madam Chair.
You cannot allow a member of the House to just claim that it is illegal. That is a notice of disallowance. That is a procedure inside the Commission on Audit. Hindi sa upuan niya.
Honorable friends,
Okay, thank you, Madam Chair. So, thank you for the explanation, Vice President.
Yes, thank you, Madam Chair. It seems that Representative Swansing was well prepared when she came, and she already knew the answers. In fact, she had this drama to ask the Commission on Audit representative here, but when he was not able to answer, she had the answer already to her question. So, Madam Chair, may I request that only representatives who have questions be allowed to speak. That is not a motion, that is a request to you as the presiding officer. Ano namang tanong eh.
yes,